This is a hard year for wedding photographers everywhere. Bookings are down, inquiries are ghosting more than ever before, and food delivery fees are out of control. How is my lunch going to cost $57? You think this vignette is too harsh? It's an experimental lens, and if you guess what it is, I'll mail you this t-shirt. Another one, not this exact one. I'm Taylor Jackson, and I've photographed over 1,000 weddings in my career. I even made this book about it. I've been fortunate to work with amazing couples all around the world as well as close to home. Getting started sucks, but after those first few years, things got really good. Photographing 60 plus weddings every single year for a long time. This year though, no. Wedding photographers are having a hard time this year. And now it's your turn to turn 2023 upside down and make it 3202. Okay, that doesn't work. I tried to go for the turn your frown upside down thing, but it didn't work this time. Wedding photography marketing is tricky. It's unfair. And there is probably someone in your town that's a really bad photographer, but they're booked every single weekend. Like really, really terrible. Like spot color images on boxing gloves terrible. Is that photographer me? Because I actually took this photo. This was in 2006, so give me a bit of a break. But there are probably a few photographers out there that you're a lot better than, and they book way more than you, and it's hard to understand. But let's talk about a few reasons. Reason number one, preferred vendors. They're a preferred vendor at a venue, and they don't have to work really hard to get the wedding. Some couples will just blindly trust the recommendation and won't even check the photographer's work before hiring them. Or reason number two, they're undercutting the market, either publicly or what's scarier, in secret. A couple inquires for that $2,000 starting rate, but it turns out they're willing to do full day coverage with 2 photographers and an album for $1,000, but it's only available if they book within the next 24 hours. As you can imagine, that makes a lot of couples panic at the scarcity and make the wrong decision. So how do you make sure that couples make the correct decision and book with you? Well, I have some good news and I have some bad news. The bad news first. It's not just one line of text that you can change on your website to flip this switch. Now the good news, there is a system to booking consistently even in hard years where bookings are down for everyone. And I put everything that I know about it into Advanced Wedding Photography Marketing 2023. It's a 9-video series that walks you through everything I did when first getting started and the things that I continue to do to this day. These are the things that I would be doing if I was in my first few years of business. And if you're doing them, you're going to book more weddings and make more money. Now, what should you spend all of this extra money on? Top of the line camera gear, travel, or Outback Steakhouse? The choice is up to you, but I know what mid-level Australian steakhouse chain I'll be ordering my cheese fries at. So if you're interested, this year's Advanced Wedding Photography Marketing course is just $5,700. I'm kidding. It's $149 until June 30th. After that, it's $49,500. No, it's not. Goes up to $200 though. If you get it before June 30th, it also comes with a number of bonuses. You don't get these bonuses if you get the course after June 30th. What do you get as bonuses, you might ask? An Instagram and Facebook ads video from Book More Weddings. These are my current strategies. And you know what? Let's get crazy. I'll also include 50 Facebook ad templates that you can just steal, modify them, use them as your own. Another bonus, a bonus about booking more elopements. This course has the most creative name. It's called Booking More Elopements. And I'm even going to include my full 3-hour wedding photography workshop. Dang, right? I'll also be giving you my wedding photography day of checklist and email templates as a bonus. These bonuses all disappear if you do not get in before June 30th though. After that, the price of the course goes up and you also don't get the bonuses. I'll also put a link to the page. There's another crazy deal. So usually if you sign up to my membership website, it is $259 for the year. I'm going to put a link to sign up for just $219 until June 30th as well. That means if you sign up for the member site for just $70 more, you get access to another $3,500 worth of content instantly. Full courses like my hybrid photo video course where we go to a real life destination wedding. You also get access to my full preset pack as well, which is an $89 value on its own. There are more behind the scenes wedding days on the member site, as well as MP3s of first client meetings, downloads for pricing templates, and a heck of a lot more. So option one, buy Advanced Wedding Photography Marketing 2023 on its own until June 30th for $149 and get all of the bonuses. Or option number two, sign up to the members website for just $70 more, get access to Advanced Wedding Photography Marketing 2023, as well as $3,500 in other content instantly. And as always, a full 100% money back guarantee. If you sign up for either the course or the members website and decide that it is not for you, just send me an email. My email is here on the screen and I will send you your money back. So there really is no risk. Members website package should really be $3,000 or $4,000 to get access to it. But for you, it is just $219, or you can just get the standalone Advanced Wedding Photography Marketing course with all the bonuses. Thank you so much for watching. I am Taylor Jackson, and this is my bad vignette. my bad spot color image, and I'll see you again inside the course.